is it, boys? We have a package? Stay. Ooh, look at that. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Can you guess what's in here? Well, yeah, you looked at the thumbnail. So anyway, this thing showed up a couple hours ago and I'm fixing to open the box. So we're gonna break out the old K-bar. Remember this bad boy? Yeah. And we're gonna take a look at the Hero 10. We're gonna unbox it and set it up in this video. Yeah, K-bar, nice, huh? I ordered this thing the day it came out, and today is the 18th, I think, and it showed up. I'm super pumped. Oh yeah. Thank you for your order. This is gonna be an SD card. Yep, little tiny SD card, 32 gig. Yeah, they ship these with everything, but 32 gigabytes, that's not big enough. Nope, we're gonna have to go bigger. Get the rest out of here. And how you doing today? Welcome back to the channel. I'm John and this is Road Reality. And yeah, the Hero 10, my friends. I am super pumped for this. I hope to hell it is more reliable than the 9 was out of the box. And with the new GP2 processor, well, hell, it ought to be. So we'll set that there. You can look at that. This was one of the things I waited to confirm on GoPro's website before I actually ordered this, and we can confirm right now on my channel that the MediaMod 9 now has a 10 compatible sticker on it. You see that? Yeah, ooh. I've got a camera over here, so it's the Hero 9. And I'm using my Rode Wireless Go microphone. This is so cool. I love using this thing because my audio is always perfect. Because it doesn't matter where I am in relation to the camera, it picks up my voice really well. So anyway, back to the MediaMod. It says 9 on it, but 10 compatible. So that's huge. Other than that, it's a pretty light order on this one. We got the batteries, and you can't tell because I green screened this, but it's currently almost 10 o'clock at night on a Saturday, and nerd, I'm over here unboxing GoPros. Life is funny, isn't it? It's funny, right? Life's funny. So, I wanted to show you this. Yeah, that's the 10 compatible sticker on it as well. You can see right there. See that? Boom, 10. So, same battery as the 9. That's great. Finally. I can standardize on one battery for my rides because I like to use at least 2 cameras when I ride, so having the same battery, muy beneficial. But here is the 10 packaging. Dum, ba-da-dum, ba-da-ba-ba-bum. Yeah, ooh yeah, that's the stuff. That's what I'm talking about. And this is the special bundle. So on GoPro's website, they actually listed the camera by itself and with the accessories package, the same cost. And this box is an opening. We will give it some extra persuasion. And let me know in the comments below, are you hyped for the 10? Did you order one? Are you using one? I am curious to know if I'm the only idiot that goes ahead and orders stuff on day one, or if everybody's waiting to watch all the Peter McKinnon videos on how it works. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. All right, in the package. We don't need that either. I got another magnet clip. Yeah, these are cool. I've used this a number of times now. Yeah, see, that's the magnet clip. This thing's pretty strong. I've got a metal disc here. I'm sure you heard that. Yeah, it stuck to it. Hey, you can see it too. I set the camera up a little differently this time. What do you think? I think I like it. So anyway, magnet clip, and that's a strong clip. These are good. I think these sell for like 20 bucks by themselves. With the special accessories, you get one battery and then a spare. So I have 2 batteries right there, and I'm gonna label my batteries this time, believe you me. Next up, and I know you're just looking, you're like, open the camera, get the camera out, right? We've got a mount, a couple more thumb screws. Gotta have thumb screws, right? And this comes, if you can't see this, because I'm not really sure how this is gonna work out, but this is the camera case it comes with. And you got the camera here and a bunch of accessories lined up around it. It's a nice little bit of kit. I like it. Anything else in there I need to know? Ooh, there's something. Oh, it's another one of those selfie handle thingies. All right, so we got some instructions and nothing left but the camera. We'll get there in just a second. First of all, USB-A to USB-C. If you can see there you go, USB-A to C. USB-A to C, look at that, yes. Got a pile of those now. But the accessories bundle also comes with the extendable selfie stick. It's a little short guy. They changed the thumb screw on it. That is interesting. So I'm gonna bring this closer to the camera so you can see. See that bad boy? Yeah, it's got a metal thumb screw on it now. That's wild. See that? Metal thumb screw. But this extends and it also does tripod functionality. Ta-da, tripod. Very compact, good to put in like a motorcycle pocket, on your jacket, or in a saddlebag, so you have something to carry it around with when you get to your destination. Anyway, there's a bunch of different things. If you haven't checked out the rest of my stuff on the channel, we do everything motorcycle and vlogging related on this channel. I sort of widened the scope of the channel recently just because, well, I can't be pigeonholed into anything, and I refuse. So I like making unboxing videos, so I added that to the list. Hey, it's right over there. Yeah, see that? All right. Again, your camera must be updated before you can use it. But it's got this nice little wrapper around it, little paper job here, and you can see the blue right there. There's blue, and you can see the blue on it. Nice. Yeah, look at that. Shiny new blue. And I am not taking the knife to that. We're gonna throw this crap away though. My hands just went off the green screen, didn't they? Oh well, I'm being lazy and I didn't mask that out like I normally do. 10 black, baby. 10 black. Oh yeah. I am pumped, pumped, pumped. And this I saw, if you see there, this is what I pointed out in the video. That's the microphone drain hole in my, pointed out in my last video. And then on this side, if I can open it, there we go, the side door. So what we're gonna do is put an SD card in. This is what we'll be using in this camera. This is the SanDisk Extreme 256 gig SD card. I use them in all of my cameras. And just so I don't ruin anything, we're going to find the cut line. I really should have a pair of scissors for this. Look at that. Scored it perfectly. Drop the SD card out. And these things are on Amazon for about $40 or so. Basically, when I buy a new camera, I order a new SD card to go with it. And I like the functionality of the read speed, the write speed, and all that with the SanDisk. And it's on GoPro's list of recommended manufacturers for SD cards. So this is part of their system. They like it. All right, now that I have carefully opened that up, we'll go ahead and plunk this bad boy in here. Grab a battery. Fresh batteries, oh yeah. Boy, this is a very tight fit on this camera side door housing. There we go, nice. And we can peel off our stickers. So now we have no more fancy stickers. Look at that, oh, that blue is sharp, isn't it? That is nice. It'll match everything else that I own that's blue, yeah. And then there's a sticker on this back window, and I don't know how to remove it. There's no, I don't know if you can see here. Can you see there? There's no clear indication of where the sticker ends on this. So I will, I'm gonna try to safely do this. There we go. The camera's done. Push the button, boom, comes right on. That screen looks different, huh? You know what? It's gonna want me to pair it with my phone, and I'm not doing that. English, legal stuff, GPS off, update required. So now it's telling me update required, and I have no way to get out of that. I can't record. See, that's my phone. So I can't record and update the camera. I'm gonna try to go around this. You know, I dare say, first impressions, the screens are higher resolution. So they may be the same physical size, but they certainly look like they're higher resolution. And it says 10 black on the front. How cool is that? Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, it's not gonna let me finish this up. So now we're gonna update the Hero 10. I've got it connected on my phone here, and we're just gonna type in John's Hero 10 and hit done. Yeah, it's connected to the Quick app, and it's just working on it, so it's gonna do the update. I'll bet you anything that this update is merely a way to get the camera registered with GoPro somehow. As you can tell, maybe you can see there, it is currently doing the update. So when this is done, I'll be back. And we're back. Turns out you need a really good Wi-Fi connection because mine out here on the porch kind of sucked. So I had to switch Wi-Fi networks and then it worked fine. So I'm recording on the 9 here. You can see my Rode receiver is plugged in so I get good audio, right? I mentioned that before. But I wanted to do a side-by-side comparison, and I took the time to unbox everything else. So I've got the Media Mod here. That's the brand new one. It looks identical to the one on the 9. Now this one, I've put the foamy dead cat on. We can take that off. That just pops off like so. And then you can see that they're identical. Nothing changed. Cold shoes in the same spot. Obviously, buttons in the same spot. The text is the same. So they did just really slap a sticker on the Hero 9 Media Mod and say it was good for the Hero 10. So now, here I've got the Hero 10. You can see it's got the blue text on it, right? And I'm putting it up next to the Hero 9, and it literally looks identical. So let's turn this bad boy on. We'll see how much juice is in here. I'm on the 3rd battery. The first one, you need 20% charge on your battery to do the update. This one has 6%, so we'll switch to the next battery. We shouldn't need a whole lot of battery to finish this up though, right? But it boots up. It really does. It boots up faster. So we have 7%, and it's recognizing the SD card. You can see there, it's got 10 hours and 28 minutes of recording, and this is set for 4K 30. We'll go ahead and change that. We'll set it down. Now I record in 1080 at 30 frames a second, and that's good for me. And then everything else I leave alone. So that's a little bit of knowledge for you when you're vlogging. I don't really like storing big files, and YouTube garbles them all up anyway. Plus there's a whole battery thing, and now it's got 18% battery. So I don't know what I did different. But the screen is the same on the back, although it looks to be a little bit sharper. So I'm going to try to show you this. This is the 10 right here, and you can see it looks a little bit sharper, and the colors look a little bit better. Both of these are set to the GoPro color profile, but the screen on the front looks better too. That is nice. This is going to be great. Let's change some settings on this thing. Wow. The first thing I notice is, check this out. Look how fast that is. That is faster response than the Hero 9, definitely. So if I'm looking at myself, hey, I'm looking at myself. No, don't do that. That's silly. Anyway, this is great. This thing is neat. Yeah, so the screen is definitely looks a little bit better. I'm gonna have to play with the settings on it a little bit, but it definitely seems to be a clearer, higher resolution screen on the back of this bad boy, and the front screen as well. So that has been the unboxing of the GoPro Hero 10, the new flagship shiny camera. Yes, oh yeah. I cannot wait to get this thing out on the road and do some vlogging with it, and play with all the settings too. So if there's a feature or test you want to see me do, let me know in the comments below. I already got some ideas I'm noodling around, doing a little tinkering with the old cashew, if you will. And yeah, you're going to see those videos on the channel soon. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and then hit that bell icon. You'll get notified when I upload videos. It seems I wouldn't have to explain that at this point, but you know, a helpful reminder sometimes is a good idea. So anyway, I hope you're having a great day, and John out.